The Toyota Land Cruiser, whether you're looking at the LC300 or the spruced-up GR Sport, will always carry an imposing aura right off the showroom. Blame it on its hulking size or that massive grille, but the legendary Toyota SUV is something you can't just ignore at first glance. Con International offers a lot of upgrades to make it look even more threatening. This is a complete body kit for the LC300, completing the new SUV from front to back. Toyota Land Cruiser 300, it's hard to miss the wide performance body kit fitted to this model. Extended fender flares add to its already broad shoulders, priced at $2,500. Meanwhile, the front end is also adorned with a carbon fiber bonnet cover and radiator grille, retailing for $5,210 and $2,060 respectively.